Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Facebook application to open it up and then use your login credentials to log in if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, if you wish to change your phone number, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then from the menu page, tap on your profile. You will then be taken into your profile page, from which you can tap on Edit Profile to end up within the Profile Edit page. Now from your Profile Edit page, scroll all the way down and tap on Edit Your About Info. From this page, scroll down once again until you find Contact Info. Tap on the Edit button alongside and now you will find your current phone number. Tap on Manage Contact Info and then tap on your current phone number. You can then tap on the Delete Number option and then proceed with deleting your current phone number. Then go back into the contact information page and tap on Add New Contact. From this page, you can tap on Add Mobile Number and then choose your Facebook account and then enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the next button and then you will receive a verification code in your phone. After entering this verification code within the next screen, your phone number will be changed on your Facebook account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.